Redefine your culinary routine with the Antico 36-inch Model 6219 gas range. The range brings professional styling and performance with its sleek black finish and adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Sleek black finish pairs perfectly with antique brass knobs and handle, adding a touch of vintage elegance and creating a stunning blend of modern sophistication and vintage charm. Continuous cast iron grates deliver even heat, ensuring stable cookware placement and smooth movement across the cooktop. With 6 sealed burners producing a total output of 71,000 BTU, it combines power and precision for all your cooking needs. The dual-ring brass burner offers up to 20,000 BTU for searing and 1,000 BTU for simmering, ensuring versatility for every recipe. The deep, recessed black enamel cooktop contains spills, is easy to clean, making cleanups quick and effortless. The 4.5 cubic feet convection oven delivers even heat for perfect baking and roasting results. Automatic ignition start powers up with 10,000 BTU for broil and 22,000 BTU for bake, ensuring precision and even cooking. Hidden bake burner beneath the oven floor prevents spills from burning onto the element. Features an interior convection fan for even heat distribution. There are 2 adjustable shelf racks that will support the heaviest of items cooked. 2 bright oven lights make it easy to see baking progress of any recipe. Smooth door hinges ensure enhanced safety and ease of use. All Forno range include an LP kit for simple conversion from natural gas over to liquid propane power. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.